and welcome back, everyone. If you remember from last time in our last video, I built a bridge, and the problem is this bridge is not designed well enough to allow large boats to pass underneath. So the engineering challenge is to figure out how we can redesign this bridge to allow us a big or a larger boat to pass underneath. So in looking at the back of our activity card, they have given a couple of solutions for us to try. So I tried one of them, and I'm going to show you here pretty quickly how to maybe build this and solve this design problem. So we're going to disconnect the orange and blue platform by just sliding them apart right here. And then we're going to insert another orange and blue platform so that this middle section can raise up high enough to allow a larger boat to pass underneath. So we're going to take this orange and blue platform, and I'm going to connect it right here, and this will allow us then to get enough height on the bridge to allow boats, particularly larger boats, to pass underneath. So we will just slide this blue platform onto the orange platform here, and now you can see that we have a nice large opening here in our bridge that we've designed to allow larger boats to pass underneath. Now, to just support this on top, we're going to just add a couple of arches, and I put together by using the gray and light gray posts. We're going to place one arch right here, and that will kind of help hold this together a little better. And then we'll also do the same thing on the other side over here. We'll add our second arch right here. And now you can see we've modified our design to allow a large boat to pass safely underneath the bridge. And I think we've successfully solved that design problem. So one of the things that you'll really enjoy with this kit is that not only are you able to build a bridge like this and come up with a solution or two to solve a design problem, but there are also many other structures that you can build just by simply looking at these different cards, activity cards. In fact, the first 5 cards suggest building a structure and then modifying that structure to solve a problem. Cards numbered 6 through 10 allow you just the opportunity to build different types of structures. So all in all, this is a wonderful kit. I think you'll really have a lot of fun becoming an engineer and kind of learning a little bit about some of the things engineers have to think of when they're designing a structure and how to modify structures to solve a problem. Thanks for joining us today. It's been fun, and I hope that you have a great experience with your building kit. Bye-bye.